You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. The police and officials of East Khasi Hills district had received an information that a big festival involving bullfighting and other illegal activities would be organized at Smith Village. Following this, a team of the district administration along with police reached the Smith Village. But Smith Village Sordar Ba Pinshomdar El Nongabri said that the purpose of the mini festival is to raise funds for Smith College to pay the salaries of the teachers of the college located here and other needs. And the kind of allegation being made is wrong.
At the outset, I would like to thank you for coming here to get the exact information on what's happening on the site, on the spot. Actually, we are organizing a kind of a mini fair where we want to raise fund for the college because it's a college that has been sponsored by the Darbar Shinong. So to support the salary of the teachers is very difficult. So we organize these mini fair, as you can see, where we have this wheel of fortune, kind of lucky, and then we have other activities also in the meantime. So actually, it's there's nothing as per the information which has been leaked that some uh, bullfight or some kind of illegal gambling is going on. There's nothing like that. So as you can see, you have already witnessed what's going on here. That's all that we can say from the Dabashnong. So actually it's for a good cause. So we would request everyone, even you the press, to actively participate with us, to donate, so that we can actually we organize all these things. It's not for us. Okay, as a Sordar Durbarshnong, I'm well educated. I'm a professor at St. Anthony's College, where I don't need to raise fund from these things. But we are thinking about the requirement, the need of the poor people who reside in and around Smith Village. We have more than 100 villages here. So these people can't afford to go to Shillong. So we need to start this college here so that these poor people can come here and get the required education that they need, which will fulfill their need, the requirements in the future, so that they can support their livelihood and their own family. It's for that cause only. There's nothing. So that's what we would like to tell you. There's nothing like that. You can see here, there's nothing. So what we want to do, in the right way. You can see the police, the OC, you are on the spot. We have the OC here also, because there's complaint, they have come, but they have seen this. So we request you, if there's anything, so you report as it is. And if you want to participate also, to contribute something, you do that. We request you to please help us also in this regard. So from our side, there's nothing. So that's all we can say.
But after further investigation, the video that surfaced showed that the report of the bullfight was correct. Bah Richmond Millingap of Smith Village said that in the past few days, a complaint has been lodged at the Deputy Commissioner's office to protest the holding of the festival on January 10th and 11th, as it is a wrong way of raising funds for the college.
Bà Richmond mình ngấp trong sa Smith cùng hong Tengah ru kum we naki nong yakit kam jong sang samla chnong menchwa kum presiden barim bala buntliksnya menchwa te ndrei habidai bekani ka jingja ka baja matasngi hakashnong smit chungi kedai ka kam ka ba la bun hi ke balong masalandat ya ka ba hi kum no shnong ni sa aku umdum rei habidai bekani ka fit ka pelong matasngi adan ka jing uchor na we naki nong shnong cha DC office habidai bekani ka fit ka masalong matasngi bala shai te ta jing uchor jong u sha office kalong halo kani ka fit pada din kataru kini ki nong uchor kat berkat tukat ningut ki riorong ba ki berem ki belong kinong trikam jong kasnong kila paru city shal sodar snong hagalai puitrek ba bani penbek ni kam man pensange shwai ni ka fit reina kaliang jong sodar chim las ngap le se kata ka jing kerpat kini ki riorong ba te hak kan ka life puitrek pat uni ba lestar kham nuit we ni nong snong jong smith ule chadi su office ban bu complain hai bidai ni ka fit ka masalong mata kasi te hadin kata menen ka sengiru nak kaliang jeng ni rong ba ke lek biang support DC office ban budin halol kan ni ka benta te habai kendu sha habai lek kendu sha po DC jong DC office kebut kila syam ba nak kaliang jong DC haban kong bakili kendu kala pen pau ba ko man pensange no ini ka fit nai hadin nak kila ya poi shnong ngayo sngo ba DC kalau la ai permission tang nak benta ban pelong ya mini fit om ya kata ka jing lek khalai kruk kruk dan ni kata ka jing tur masi te habdai berkata ke bentan nak kaliang chungi kinong shnong to ikan yat kemudian benjat kat kum ka ba keno NOC ba pio permission ba pio report DC office mereka kat kisham chungi mana mestapat yoi ba ki masi kila poi sai shnong chungi berkadan ru kat tu kat ingut ki brio ki bayawan shnong ba ki ong manan pek masi ringla phawat benia ru bangil syam sisa bagi dan ki masi ki badan ka madan ba penlong ni ka fit pada din kata ngakum we ni samla nong shnong jong ka shnong smith te hadin bakil rong ba la pen snow yang ai ki bala ya chakmat ten rei kini ki bor snong kim chimla ngap ki jing kerpat jeng gini te kan ni kalong jing yu roj ki nong snong ki rong ba ki ba cu ki kit aba ya kam ki snem bladep rei kim chimla ngap pada hadin kata ngalapoi DC office ba ngalai phone jo USP ba ngayo banya text ke message ngayo banya keren ru ti ngalak kerpat saudara subha baburom pensange syaya kan ka ban pelong ini ka fit nomor ba kipat ba kidan pada gajing umdum kenapa nomi kena kerum keram pensange ini ka fit sis mardor tenrei saudar uang yang atong ini persanggat bala ban le ya kata nrei ni ba gajing le lendet jong saudar jong lasngap ya kiwei ki bala le chakmat ngap wat yang ngaru jong lasngap ni gajing yoroj ya kabot sing ipat ba nang sosno jong kasmit bagi kwa ru kalong ba nadu bala yo ini kekam betmai la laisna mentah kum kinong yalam jong kasnong jongi kum saudar sekretari kiwi membawa jong kasnong rei kim patchna lum ya ka dorbar ke chungki ban lum kaban persungtu ipat ba kilti trikam kundu ban ya chakmat rei kala chpenya ka kam pedrunya ka kam bat adin ba kini ki rirong ba kilai kren ma bat ki nong yalam jong kasnong abi ka fit bat don ka fit ka bladep men kini ki banai jong ka fit jong sang sama snong nak ta klop jong kasnong tena kaliang jong rirong ba kilai kren kasnong kala karpat iki bakin ailat iki minta sisin hadin bladep kani ka fit bagi penlong kin pensange no rei kin lum che dorbar banura ban pensya supaya ba hadin katapat ngin sora sa gawe pat ki kam la sila daun kam ka fit la college lada ya ka school lani lada ya ka snong lani sang samla ni ka klub bud ni ra chwa dorbar rei kim chima ngap la ya kata pat la ya da kalti chongki bat kumang itip ban ka liang juga DC kalau ong ya ai permission ni ki tang na ka bentak benefit rei gila le lendet ikan niru bagi la ya ka an tina kaliang conga ku musamla dong ki kli rei ngam simla ya lendet rei ngala fun saudara ong pensange mordor shwa ba ki bor conga an kin wan shwa ba ki media kin poi te sung ba pensange no ini ka fit rei kim simla ngap rei ngala fun yu arsin ga don ka record bi kren batu am dei ga bang thok ngasyukor ning lam ler dei ka cing sisa tina kaliang congi kum kinong jong smith hi borok kowe ngangai bagi pet ba kim kwa ban mi samaran kim kwa ban mi syakmat la se ban ekren ya kam rai ngasngo gujing ut kam tam bagatai ke madan ke bagi penlong ka fit kadai hapo pedeng joka snong kadai hapo pedeng joka snong bai babun gujing ut jing nam la kinong snong baka fit kam cukut tengah por pral ni kendai baji ndai kaput kar si baji kamut kala pendik pentut bai kam tam ki kena puli di barang puli barang rekod ki ban pengkre ke exam choki Telong sya kajing yu nganak leng jonga ke bangadon hadun jonga ngap lalut baro ngakan syai bangam don kajing wit ana kajing bisni you know ngai i ki kam jong sodar ki ya cha khamat ya kam jong ki dai persang ban ditri lang bat ki da ka bangin kin chok tien ki ngi kren ya ki dai la kim snap pat ngin don ei ban ong dai ka bor ka shong hau pai ba tin kata ka jing mention jong sodar ya ki brio ki ba don ni kata ka jing bom ya be bat ka shnong ngamla ban comment saya yang ni ngamla ma comment namar ba ngaru ngam tan nak bata chong kin dai nakwa tak jing ba jong ka shnong nakwa ba kan ni ka fit ba pelong hani madan em nak liang jong hi simat lese bat kiri pai ba babun ba bawut nginum kwa chu pelong fit hani madan dalai le nginum sya chu dalai nginum sya ngilong lupa kan ni de kro ngin pha cha shnong smith le dang yai de ka bor dang le de ka bor mut ba kinom yok nan pelong fit hani po madan hani nei la ki kwa man pelong ka fit da ka jingi bai ka dor bar ki hapra sabar chong ka sabar chu ka shnong bagidan kinong sa kinong shnong ka jing le jong sodar ka along sisa ka ba lakta sya pai ba nambar ba ngong epi nadu bala jet yaki kum kinong kitam jong ka shnong la don lu karai dor bar ban lum sya ka dor bar ban penya ki kam jong ka shnong baro nrei hadu menta kim parla ban lum ka dor bar tiga ke king dawa jing kinong shnong ka long ba udai ban bat ken ye ka bala ra ka dor bar ken habra ka dor bar kanang ban pentri kam yi ki mat kinong kam jong ka shnong baro la ka long ka fit along ka no ko bentar ngim don ki jing wit nei la piyai la ka ba pai ba uang nut pimle ka badai ka mut kata ka dei ki jing bakala chongki rei ban keno pat kita ki we pat ka ba sublim ba subharap ne ban su keno sniu ki we kam ba phi ban kedeu kti ki we ka ba mario la di dang don sibun jing duna nga kumu bre ma don sibun jing duna jing samla cing trikam jonga mun chwa mo ki por ki trikam jing samla ro ngi la ya kem ya kiat ya khang ye ne ka ta ki sniu bro ten rei kumolong menta pat ka disi kemo kim sum thu te namar ba kini kinong kat kam chnong ki dei ki bre bla start ki bre bla nang bla shampang ki dei bla don ki jing puli ka biang na la chit khnang ye ki ba kin long kita kinong lam to chnong ta ki bre ki start aga chuk mentai don kam kinong lam chnong ki start rei kumo kim sum thu ik permission ba ki yo na disi te kumo ki like te ka bor cho ka an rei kan ni kat ka peni ba kim dei ba kim borom ya ka an kim borom yang ki kinong chnong kim borom yang ki ba le complain sa disi office kim borom yang ki ba karpat ki ban pensangai ini ka fit kadai ki jing le persya cho ki yang ki kinong chnong